Hi, this is the first personal reading mini lesson, and what we talked about in class was the idea of a first level reader who kind of just wants to read to get to the end of the book, to read to find out what's going to happen next, reading kind of for enjoyment. And then there's the second level reader who's reading also to figure out how the text works. How did it get us to be excited in the first place about getting to the end? I'm going to read you a quote, and I didn't use this in class. This is something I'm only using now. This is Umberto Eco. He says, "There are two ways of walking through a wood. The first is to try one or several routes, so as to get out of the wood as fast as possible, or to reach the house of the grandmother. The second is to walk so as to discover what the wood is like, and find out why some paths are accessible and others are not. Similarly, there are two ways of going through a narrative text. Any such text," Umberto Eco goes on to say, "any book is meant to be read so that you want to read on, so that you're interested in the story, so you're interested in finding out perhaps what the narrator is thinking, find out what's happening to characters. But also, every text is meant to be read in that second way, in the way so that you are trying to figure out how the text operates, how the author has put that text together. When you're doing your personal reading, you're automatically doing a first level reading, enjoying the walk through the woods. But I also want you to take time while you're doing your reading to become a second level reader. To think about how the text is operating. Who is meant to be reading this? What are you meant to be finding out as you walk through those woods? So continue to enjoy your personal reading and think about the difference between a first level reader and a second level reader.